guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another what I ate in a day video. So for this video, we're actually gonna be eating tofu for every single meal. If you guys don't know, tofu is definitely my favorite plant-based protein source. It is so versatile and so misunderstood and so good. So yeah, every meal I'm gonna be enjoying tofu. Before we jump in, just letting you guys know that the plant-based bundle is currently on and only on for another 3 more days. Guys, the plant-based bundle is a collection of over 110 different plant-based ebooks, guides, and courses, and it's sold at a massive discount for only $50. Yes, this is a 99% discount because if you bought every single ebook in this bundle separately, it would cost over $4,000, but today you can get everything for only $50. And my brand new ebook, Vegan Sushi at Home, which is my beginner-friendly vegan sushi ebook, is part of the bundle as well. And this is the first time it's part of any bundle, so super exciting. So even if you were just interested in my ebook plus like 2 or 3 more ebooks, it is totally worth it because the bundle would probably be cheaper. Yes, my friends. Again, $50, all inclusive, and the bundle is only on until July 14th. So do not miss out, you guys. This is such a great deal. Make sure you check it out. The link will be down below for you to purchase the bundle, and I'm also going to list some of my favorite ebooks in the bundle as well. So hopefully you guys love it. The link is below. Get the bundle now, do not miss out, and let's get started with what I ate today. For breakfast, I had some soft tofu left over in the fridge, so I decided to make a vegan egg salad. This is super easy and simple. All you have to do is cut up your soft tofu into tiny little cubes, and don't worry if they're a little bit crumbly. It's kind of meant to be that way anyway. And then add that into like a nice bowl. And then I like to also add in some celery if I have it on hand, so I had celery, so I'm adding that in. And then I had some leftover like diced onion and some jalapeno, so I'm just gonna throw that in there. And to season, I'm adding in some garlic powder and some pepper, and I also like to add in a little bit of kala namak, aka black salt. This is the secret ingredient. If you want to make something taste eggy, add in a little bit of kala namak or black salt. And then I also added in some vegan mayo and Dijon mustard, and then we're just gonna mix this well. And as always, I'm just gonna give this a little taste and see if it needs anything else. And I just like to adjust the seasonings accordingly. And that's basically it. That's how easy it is to make vegan egg salad. I also like to add in some green onions if I have any, and that's basically it. I'm also gonna slice up some avocados, and I made myself a little plate of veggies and fruit, and I didn't really have any bread or English muffin or anything like that, which is what I normally put egg salad on, but I did have some tortillas, okay? I had tacos the other day, and I had some tortillas. So I toasted up a couple of tortillas, and I added the egg salad on top, along with the avocado, some salt and pepper, and there you have it. Super simple and easy. I had my veggies with a little bit of hummus. I had some grapes and grape tomatoes on the side, and that was my really simple and easy breakfast. It's high protein, it's so quick and easy, and I also like to add a little bit of sriracha in there as well for some added flavor. And my dog Nari, who normally lives with my parents, is actually staying with me at the moment for a few days. So here she is, looking all cute. You wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Okay. After a long walk, I made lunch, and I just had to try a recipe from the Ultimate Tofu Cookbook, and this is one of my favorite ebooks from the bundle because obviously I love tofu. Yes, this ebook is by Vegan Punks, and I just had to try their vegan carbonara with their tofu bacon. Okay, this is really intriguing because the sauce for the carbonara has tofu in it, and then of course we're also adding tofu bacon on top, so it's like a tofu on tofu kind of situation, which I absolutely love.
I feel like these two separate recipes show how versatile tofu is because they are so different. Like you can make this creamy, delicious, rich sauce made with tofu and a few other ingredients. And then you can also make this like nice and crispy sort of tofu bacon bits, which again, made of tofu, but just a different kind of tofu. How amazing is tofu? Love it so much. So guys, if you love tofu and you want to learn more about tofu and get more recipes, check out the Ultimate Tofu Cookbook. Again, that's part of the bundle. Right now you can get that one plus all of the other ebooks like I mentioned for only $50 a total. So it's such a great steal, and this tofu cookbook is definitely worth it, especially if you want to learn more about how to cook tofu.
This is mostly made of tofu. Amazing.
Once I made that delicious sauce and the tofu bacon, I just heated up some oil and cooked up some garlic on the pan, threw in the cooked pasta, and then of course poured in that delicious creamy sauce. Oh my lord. Oh, I love a creamy pasta moment, and I also love it when there's hidden protein in there, aka tofu. After I added that sauce, I'm going to add in my tofu bacon bits, and doesn't that look so good, you guys? This was such a perfect, creamy, delicious vegan carbonara, tofu on tofu action. Gotta love it. There are so many different ways of making like a creamy, delicious pasta sauce, and this is definitely one of my favorites because, again, there's that added element of protein in the sauce, and you wouldn't even know it. This was so good.
Natty, you want a treat? This is Natty's favorite, one of Natty's favorites, apple. Apple. Natty, leave it. Take it. Is it yummy? Guys, I just love the sound of dogs eating. Especially apples. Let's do that again. Natty, here you go. Was it yummy? One more? You want one more? So yummy. Right, I'm a little peckish, so I'm gonna have some roasted chickpeas. Literally, this is just canned chickpeas that I've drained and rinsed. And then I just throw it in the air fryer without any oil, nothing. Just throw it in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And it's nice and crispy, okay? And then you can just season it however way you want. I like to add a little bit of garlic salt. Just kind of toss it. I either do like barbecue sauce or Frank's Red Hot Sauce. This is Frank's Red Hot Sauce. I am pretty generous. And that's it. I'm gonna have that as a snack along with a nectarine. That'll be my little afternoon snack. Yum. You wanna hear the crunch? It's so good. Natty. Look at it. It's way too hot. So I got some watermelon. Should we give some to Natty? Good girl. So yummy. One more? So good. I have this fried tofu that's been sitting in my fridge for some time. So I'm just gonna have that. So that's what it looks like. Could be actually good in a stir fry, but it might be really good in this. Let's try. Really good. And we're gonna make salad rolls. Sure. I forgot I had some avocado, so I'm gonna add some of that in there too. Although these salad rolls are getting a bit out of control. For the sauce, I'm gonna mix together PB2, which is powdered peanut butter, hoisin sauce, some lime juice, and see how that tastes. Might need to add some water. A little bit of water. It's pretty good. Ugly salad rolls and the dip. Okay, one of them was way too hard to eat, so I just put it into a bowl and I cut it up with scissors, and I'm just gonna eat it as like a salad. Fail. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this what I ate in a day video of tofu recipes and tofu meals. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have not yet got the plant-based bundle, check out the link below to purchase the bundle. Okay, once again, it's $50 only for over 110 different ebooks, guides, and courses. Includes my vegan sushi at home ebook, along with that ultimate tofu cookbook, which is awesome, and along with other awesome ebooks by creators like Madeline Olivia, Simnet Nutrition, Fitzy, Better Food Guru, so many different other awesome plant-based creators. So even if you guys were interested in just 3 or 4 different ebooks in this bundle, it's probably going to be worth getting the bundle anyway, because it's most likely going to be cheaper. Only $50 for over 110 different ebooks. So definitely check it out, you guys. The link is below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!